Hello guys and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to make an origami 2D lantern. So what you want to do first is fold your paper diagonally both ways. Now fold the four corners to the center and then turn your paper over. And then do it again. And then do it one last time. Fold the four corners to the center and then turn the paper over. Open up the two flaps at the top and the bottom. And then flatten accordingly. And there you have your own origami 2D lantern. Thank you for watching, and as always, stay safe.